This is a preview video of a backer exclusive comparison I'm working on for my patrons. So I am field testing Reeves watercolor paints. These have been dried out in half pans. I'm field testing it and I'm comparing it against Cotman and Winsor & Newton. So we can really get an idea how kind of hobbyist or children's grade compares to student grade, compares to professional grade. So if you want to see how this comparison shakes down, you're going to have to join the art nerd community at patreon.com/natosoup. So if you guys found that tempting, you can find the entire video as well as a walkthrough of how I created this piece by joining the art nerd community. You can do that at patreon.com/natosoup. It only costs $2 a month to become an art nerd, and I share so many fantastic tips, tricks, and tutorials, not only for watercolor, but for alcohol markers and comics as well. So I hope you guys will consider joining us.